Hi, my name is Shakir Miran. I am the managing partner at Skylights Energy. At Skylights Energy, we build software for the electric control panel industry. Today, I would like to take you through our Switchology software. Switchology is an energy management solution. It is designed particularly for industrial applications. We provide our own gateway devices through which you can connect your digital meters. It can be digital meters, sensors, any communication that happens through RS-485 Modbus protocol. So once the devices are connected to our gateway device, then you can start monitoring it using our proprietary dashboard. A couple of features about our Switchology services. It is a modular gateway, which means you can expand the number of gateways in your system. Per gateway can accommodate up to 25 digital meters, and then you can keep extending the number of gateways, expanding your digital footprint. The other feature that we have is it is an entirely cloud-based system. You can access our gateway device through our proprietary IP address that we will provide. You can access it through your username and password. The data stays within the gateway device. There is no third-party cloud servers that we host. All the data, all the servers, everything is hosted within the gateway device only. It is a no-code interface, which means adding any meters that you would like to monitor can be done very easily. We will go through that next. It is a self-storage system, which means the gateway device can save up to 100 meters of 10 years of data inside its built-in memory. And it is a backup fail-safe data. In case anything happens to our gateway device, the data is always retrievable through the USB pen drive. And the processing capability of a gateway device works at 8 GB RAM, which means the gateway device can communicate with your meters in milliseconds. A couple of other features that we like to highlight. It is a real-time data monitoring device, which means you can access the gateway device at any point and see the live readings of your electrical parameters. It does have a predictive maintenance advanced analytics inbuilt inside the system, which means before anything goes wrong, our gateway device can give you signals on predictive maintenance issues. Plus, we have our enhanced reporting features, which means any asset that you would like to monitor its electrical parameters, you can get a beautiful report which gives you data interpretations in over 50 different chart types, making the data easily understandable. The final feature that I'd like to highlight is, like I explained earlier, our gateway device does not use any third-party cloud servers. It is a one-time installation. It is a one-time investment. There is no monthly charges. There is no annual charges, or there is no other cloud-based charges that is required in order to use our gateway device. Here is a quick live demo of how our gateway device will look like. Once it has been installed, then this is how the gateway device login screen will look like. It will show you the network and hardware detail information here. It will have the software upgradation data over here, and the gateway device's operating parameters are shown here. The operating temperature, the memory usage, and the storage usage. You can add any gateway device by simply clicking on Add Devices. These are all the meters that has been already programmed into our gateway device. Any new meter can be added by simply clicking on Add Meter. You will have to select the meter make, the model of the meter, and give a name for your meter. The ID of the meter has to match to the meter's ID, and all the other parameters according to the make and model of the meter manufacturer has to be entered here. Once all of this information is entered, you can click on Test. Our gateway device will communicate with the meter using these parameters. If the meter is able to successfully send data, then you will get an indication saying the meter has been connected. This is how you would do the energy monitoring of all the meters that has been connected. These are all the different dashboards that has been created for you. Clicking on any of the dashboards will pull up the data from these meters, and it will show you an hourly or a daily or a minute based data information that is retrieved from the meters. We have KPI interface, key performance interface, which means any particular parameter which is of importance to you, you can monitor that particular parameter and find out the energy that has been consumed in order to produce that much amount of output. We do have a SCADA interface which will give you a clear vision of the entire digital footprint for your factory, the main incomer, the common bus, and the number of outgoing feeders that you have. We can build an entire real-time SCADA using our gateway device. We do have a meter billing dashboard which can give you a neat interface on how the reports are being generated for each of the meters. This particular notification tab will give you alerts on any particular parameter that you have set an alert on, which will give you a clear indication of the alert, and will also send you an email and messages to alert you on real time. And this is how you can take a backup of the data that has been saved in our gateway device. So this is how you can see the data, this is how you can monitor assets, and you can find ways to avoid penalties in your BESCOM bill. You can find ways to reduce your energy by monitoring if there is some unwanted load that is being switched on during night hours. Those kind of information can be monitored by connecting our gateway device. If there is any question, please reach out to me. My name is Shakir, and you can send an email or WhatsApp. I will get back to you. Okay, thank you.